So there's this girl. She's different. She's got your attention in a way that no one else does. Maybe you see her every day but haven't had the chance to talk to her. Or maybe you have, but every time you do, it feels like she's not as interested as you want her to be. You've tried to impress her. Maybe you've even gone out of your way to be nice, compliment her, or make her laugh. But nothing seems to be working. And now you're wondering, what does it really take to win her over? To make her look at you differently, to impress her instantly. Here's the thing, most men think they know what women want, but they're dead wrong. It's not just about looks, money, or even confidence. It's about how you make her feel when she's around you. So today, I'm giving you 11 powerful strategies that will shift the way she sees you instantly. But before we dive in, let me ask you, do you think winning a woman over is about chasing her? If you do, you're already losing. Let's fix that right now. Number 1, confidence over everything. Confidence isn't just about how you walk or talk. It's about how you see yourself. Women don't just look at a man's appearance, they sense his energy. If you hesitate, overthink, or constantly seek validation, she'll feel it. So let me ask you, do you carry yourself like someone who knows his worth? Do you speak with certainty, or do you constantly second-guess yourself? Confidence doesn't mean being cocky. It means standing firm in who you are, knowing that whether she's interested or not, you'll be just fine. And ironically, that's exactly what makes her interested. Number 2, dress like you give a damn. First impressions matter. Women notice the details. If your clothes are wrinkled, your shoes are dirty, or your scent is off, it doesn't matter how confident you are, she'll be turned off. Now, this doesn't mean you need to spend a fortune on clothes, but a well-fitted outfit, clean shoes, and a fresh scent. That's all it takes to stand out. Would she feel proud standing next to you in public? Do you look like someone who takes care of himself? Because if you don't respect yourself enough to present yourself well, why would she respect you? Number 3, keep your composure. Women will test you, intentionally or not. If she pulls away, takes longer to respond, or acts a little distant, how do you react? Most guys panic. They text more, they double-check if she's mad, they try harder to win her back. And that's exactly why they fail. The strongest men, they don't flinch, they stay composed. They understand that women are naturally drawn to men who don't seek validation. If she pulls away, can you remain calm? Can you continue focusing on your own life instead of making her the center of your world? Because when she realizes you won't chase her, she'll start chasing you. Number 4, master the art of mystery. If you tell her everything about yourself on the first date, where's the excitement? Women love to discover things about a man over time. It keeps them intrigued. If you're always an open book, you're giving away all the excitement up front. Instead, let her wonder about you. Let her ask more questions. Ask yourself, do you give away too much too soon? Do you always explain yourself, or do you let her figure things out? A little mystery makes a man 10 times more attractive. Number 5, have a purpose beyond her. Here's a hard truth. If she becomes your main focus, you've already lost. Women respect men who are on a mission. If your entire life revolves around impressing her, she'll see you as just another guy trying to get her attention. But if she sees you pursuing your goals, building something, and staying focused on your own life, that's when she starts admiring you. So, what's your purpose? Are you working on something that excites you? Are you building a life she'd want to be a part of? Because if you're not, she won't feel inspired to be part of it. Number 6, use humor to your advantage. A man who can make a woman laugh is a man she won't forget. But humor isn't about telling jokes. It's about being playful, confident, and relaxed. Think about it. Are you tense and serious around her? Or are you lighthearted, teasing her in a fun way, making her feel good? Laughter is an emotional connection. When she associates you with joy, she'll naturally want more of you. Number 7, be unpredictable. Most guys follow a predictable pattern. They text at the same time, use the same compliments, and act the same way every day. You know what's more attractive? Keeping her on her toes. Instead of texting first every time, let her reach out. Instead of always complimenting her looks, tease her playfully. The moment she thinks she has you figured out, the excitement dies. Keep things unpredictable. Number 8. Show social proof. Women are drawn to men who are respected by others. If she sees that people admire you, that you're a leader in your group, and that others enjoy being around you, her perception of you changes instantly. Ask yourself, do you have a strong social presence? Do people enjoy being around you? If others see value in you, so will she. Number 9, speak with depth. Small talk is forgettable. Women are drawn to men who make them feel something real. Are your conversations just surface level, or do you talk about big ideas, your dreams and ambitions, thought-provoking topics that make her see you differently? A man who speaks with depth and meaning leaves a lasting impression. Number 10, control your attention. Women don't want a man who's too available. If you put her on a pedestal, she'll look down on you. Ask yourself, do you give her too much attention? Or do you make her feel like she needs to earn your focus? The moment she sees you as a prize, the dynamic shifts. Number 11, walk away if needed. If she's not reciprocating, do you have the strength to walk away? Women respect men who know their worth. The second she senses you don't need her validation, she'll be drawn to you more. Can you do that? Now, I've just given you 11 powerful strategies, but the real question is, which one will you apply first? Let me know in the comments. And remember, be the man she can't ignore.